doing this? You did this all last year.
I took an awesome picture last year. I'll have to show you that.
Like that one.
I don't really like these ones. These ones are a bit crap. They're a bit boring. They're bright colours, but they don't make any noise.
Just for your look.
So we don't like them ones.
You can see it, can't you? Like, they're in a big line.
Yeah.
You can see the sort of moving.
It looks like there's a hurricane behind it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
In your camera, not really.
Oh, you're recording.
Rock you like a hurricane.
Yeah.
I can't see what's blue.
I like that one.
Bonfire, how the boxing. There were the people who tried to blow up the Parliament.
To kill the king.
Could you send me that when you finish? I can just copy it, like freeze it, and then have some other pictures.
That's what I'm planning on.
It was the real one. She was like, it's not the real one. Who's Scottish?
You'll be happy to know, Tom, I've got it set on 10 megapixels, so you should... The sound of this video is just going to be Lauren saying, "Ooh, I like that," or "I don't like that." "Ooh, I like that one." "Oh, that's a good one."
Joe's gay. One's a bit bad. When Joe is gay. Because he fancies me.
Okay, we now know that Lauren understands the definition of the word gay at least.
We do it like that. He's a gay. Like Joe. No, we don't like it.
This better be good enough for Tom.
I heard that, Joe.
It better be. You're going to get a good 20 minutes, 10 minutes worth of footage.
I don't need that much, you know.
Yeah, I know, but I want that much.
You see? I've got one picture of fireworks going up now. And like start of that, like waving your blue stick.
What do you reckon, people? YouTube. Olivia saying, "Oh, it's over now." What's up? Yeah. Well, not a film. I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm not going to make DV the firework this way.
I'm not saying that, but can they hear what that is saying?
Yep.
I'm saying to Olivia then. Apparently now in Afghanistan. It might be. Yeah, Lauren, whatever. I told her.
Oh, I like it. I like it. It's very nice. Look at the big colours. Look at all the colours. I like it.
Let's put the vinyl, darling.
I like it. It's.
Nice on the camera though, Joe.
Oh, okay. Okay, Katie has officially replaced Olivia and said it's the end now.
No, I did not. I said they do it the finale.
Oh, so I thought you said it is the finale.
Joe is done at time.
Very good.